Bayes' theorem. Bayes' theorem describes the probability of occurrence of an event related to any condition. It is also considered for the cases of conditional probability. Bayes' theorem is also known as the formula for the probability causes. For the example, if we have to calculate the probability of taking a blue ball from the second deck out of the three different deck of balls, where each bag contains three different color balls, red, blue, black. In the case of the probability of occurrence of an event is calculated depending on other condition known as the conditional probability. In this, let us discuss the statement of proof-based theorem and its derivation, formula, and many examples. So, first we have to see what is a conditional probability. Let S be the sample space with the probability function P defined on it. Let A and B be the two event of S P of A, then the conditional probability of A given B written as P given A given B is defined as P of A given B equal to P of A intersection B by P of B. For any two events A and B, P of A intersection B into P of B into P of A given B is the relation is called multiplication theorem of probability. Note, let A, B be the two events. P of A strictly greater than 0, P of B greater than 0, then P of A given B equal to P of A intersection B by P of B. Second, P of B given A is equal to P of intersection A into P of A. So in here, here B event is given. B event is given. Here A event is given. So given means already happened. Base formula. P of A given B equal to P of A into P of B given A by B of B. Let's see the base theorem statement. Let A1, A2 and so on A and be the set of event associated with a sample space S, where all the event A1, A2 and so on have the non-zero probability of occurrence. They form a partition of S. Let B be the any event associated with the S. Then P of AI given B equal to P of AI into P of B given AI by summation of P of AI into P of B given AI. So S is our sample space. S having A1, A2, A3 and up to AN. Okay. Here all the probability of P of A1, probability of P of A1, probability of P of A2, probability of P of A3 and so on probability of A3 get strictly greater than 0. Means A1, A2, A3 here event that the probability value non-zero, non-zero value. Let's start base rule. P of AI given B equal to P of AI mean P of B given AI by P of B. In base rule, we are take only two events. P of A given B equal to and B equal to it should be P of A into P of B by AI A by P of B. But here we are collecting n number of events. Okay. we claim that we want to prove P of B equal to summation of P of AI into P of B by AI. So here, since the events are mutually exclusive event, that means union of AI equal to, it will be equal to sample space S. That is mutually exclusive event. Here union of A is equal to S. This is all the events are mutually exclusive. All the events are disjoint. If you take P equal to P intersection X, it will be we know that S equal to union of AI into AI. Next, if you take the apply the intersection, it will be equal to. It means here P, if you multiply here, it will be B into B intersection A1 union B intersection A2 union and so on B intersection AN. So this term we can write union of union of B intersection AI. Right? AI. Next, applying both side probability. If you take the probability P of B is equal to P of union of B intersection AI. So this term we know that probability of union of AI equal to summation of probability of P of AI. AI this term here. Then P of B is equal to summation of P of AI into, we know that what is the P of B intersection AI. AI into, that means P of AI into P of B intersection AI. So this equation came from conditional probability. Conditional probability. Conditional probability. Okay. So we got P of B is equal to summation of P of A into P of B by AI. From the equation 1 and 2, if we solve, you will get the base equation. P of A given B is equal to P of B, P of A into P of B by AI, summation of I equal to 1 to N, P of AI by P of B by AI. Let's see the problem. A bag 1 contains 4 white and 6 ball, while another bag 2 contains 4 white and 3 black balls. One ball is drawn at the random from the one of the bag and it's found to be black. Find the probability that is drawn from bag 1. Let's see the solution. Let E1 be the event choosing bag 1, E2 the event choosing bag 2, and another A means the event of drawing a black ball. So here we have two bag. The sample space is equal to, here only bag 1 and bag 2. Bag 2. Bag 1, bag 2. You want to collect P of U mean selecting selecting one bag from the both bag, it will be 1 by 2 probability. P of E2 equal to the probability, it is also 1 by 2. Next, already E1 and E2 even happened. We want to find the probability that is one ball is drawn the random from the one bag, it's be blocked. So P of A given is equal to P of drawing a black ball from the bag 1. So bag 1 having totally 10 balls, you want to take black ball. Here's totally 6 black balls. So the probability it will be 6 by 10. It will be 3 by 5. Next in A2 ball. In A2 bag, in bag 2, we want to select one ball. That ball should be black. In totally in bag 2 having 7 black, 4 white ball and 3 black balls. We want to take only black ball. The probability it will be 3 by 7. By using Bayes theorem, the probability of drawing a black ball from the bag 1 out of 2 bake. It will be P of E1 given A equal to. We know the base formula. P of, they're given here only happening 2 events. P of E1 into P of A by E1 by P of E1 into P of A by E1 plus P of E2 P of A by E2. Here we want to select that ball from bag 1. That's why we are writing here E1. Suppose the if you are selecting black ball bag 2 means you want to write here P of E2 by E2 into P of A by E2 by P of E1 into P of A by E2 A by E1 plus P of E2 A by E2 A by E2 E2. So we know that what is the probability of E1, what is the A given E1, you substitute the value, you will get answer 7 by 2, 12. Problem number 2. A man is known to speak the truth 2 out of 3 times. He threw a die and report that number obtained is a 4. Find the probability that the number is obtained is actually a 4. So here a man, he can speak 3 times, only 2 times he will speak truth and 1 time it will be free speak error. Let A be the event that man report that number 4 is obtained. Let E1 be the event that 4 is obtained and E2 be the complementary event. He telling lie. Then P of E1 equal to probability of that 4 occurs, it will be 1 by 6. P of E2 equal to probability of that 4 does not occur, it will be 1 minus P of E1 equal to, it will be 1 by 6 equal to 5 by 6. Also, P of A given E1 equal to probability that man reports 4 and it's actually 4 2 by 3. P of A given E2 is equal to probability that man report 4 and it's not for me 1 by 3. By using Bayes theorem, probability that number is obtained actually a 4. The P of E1 given A equal to P of E1 into P of A given E1 by P of E1 into P of A by E1 plus P of E2 into P of A given E2. Substitute the values. We know that what is the P of E1, what is the P of A by E1. Substitute the value, you will get the answer 2 by 7. Problem number 3. An urn contains 5 red and 5 black balls. A black ball is drawn at a random. Its color is noted and is written to the urn. Moreover, 2 additional balls of the color drawn are put in the urn. Then ball is drawn at a random. What is the second ball is red. The urn contains totally 10 balls. It will be 5 red and 5 black balls. First, we want to select one ball. It should be first ball. Let A red ball to be drawn in the first attempt. Totally, we have 5 red balls. 5 by totally 10 balls. So 5 by 10, it will be 1 by 2. If the additionally we want to add the 2 ball, it will the contains, it will be the 2 ball is red color. It will be add 7 red and 5 black balls. It will be probability of if we take this a red ball, it will be 7 by 12. So already a bag contain 10 balls. Okay, 10 balls. We are select one ball. Okay, select one ball. 5 red balls and 5 black balls. We select one ball. It's a probability 5 by 10. Then additionally we are adding 2 balls. Additionally we are adding 2 balls. It will be totally 7 red balls and 5 black balls. Let a black ball be the drawn in the first tournament. It will be drawing a black ball in the first tournament. It will be 5 by 10. It should be 1 by 2. If the 2 balls are added to an, the an contains 5 red and 7 black balls. If the drawing a red ball, it will 5 by 12. We don't know what is the 2 ball. If the 2 ball means red means it will be 7 red and 5 black ball. If the two ball is black mean it will be 5 red ball and 7 black ball. That conditions. If 5 by 12. The rocket the property, the second poly's red mean it will be 1 by 2 into 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 5 by 2 will equal to, it will be answer 0.5. The probability of drawing the second ball is red is 0.5. Number 4. At the certain university, 4% of man over the 6 feet tall, and 1% of women are over 6 feet tall. The total student population is divided in the ratio 3 is to in favor of women. If the student is selected at the random from the among all those over 6 feet tall, what is the probability that the student is woman? Let solution. Let m is equal to student is male. F means the student is female. Note that M and F partition the sample space of student. Let T is equal to student is over 6 feet tall. We know that the probability of male it should be 2 by 5. Okay, totally we have 5. So here the ratio is 5. Okay, it will be, if you want to probability of you mean it will be add the two ratio number, it will be 3 2 by 5. If probability of f mean it will be 3 by 5. The probability of t divides m is equal to be 4 by 100, and the probability of t given if equal to 1 by 100. Using base theorem, we have P of f given t is equal to, write the formula P of t given f into P of f by P of t given f into P of f plus P of t given m into P of m. The substitute the values, you will get the answer 3 by 11. Take your to LCM here. A factory production line is a manufacturing boards using three machines A, B, C. One of them is total output. A is responsible for 25% machine B for 30% and machine C for the rest. It is known from the previous experience with the machines that 5% of the output from the machine A is the defective, 4% from the machine B and 2% from machine C. A bolt is chosen at the random from the production line and found to be defective. What is the probability that it came from A, machine B and machine C? Let D is equal to bolt is defective. Let A be that bolt is from the machine A. B means that defective bolt from machine B. C from bolt is from machine C. We know that probability of equal to zero point 0.5, probability of B is equal to 0.35, probability of C equal to zero point 0.4. Okay, then also P given A is equal to be 0.05, the B given D given B is equal to be 0.404, the given P divides C equal to 0.02. A statement of theorem, it will be three events A, B and C is the formula. A given D is equal to P of D given A into P of A by P of T given A into P of A plus P of D given B into P of B plus P of D given C into P of C. So substitute the values, you will get answer. P of A given D is equal to 0.362. This is the answer for that bolt from emission A. Then bolt from machine B, it will be right probability of B given D equal to P of D given B into P of B by P of T given A into P of A plus P of T given B into P of B plus P of D given C into P of C. The substitute value you will get the answer P of B given D is equal to 0.406. Second one, the bolt from C means the probability of C given D into P of D given C into P of C by P of D given A into P of A plus P of D given B into P of B plus P of D given C into P of C. The substitute the value, you will get answer. The machine from C mean will be 0.232. Problem 6. The machine A and B produce 10% and 90% respectively the production of the component intended for the motor industry. From the experience, it's known that probability that machine A produce the defective component is 0.01, while the probability that machine B produce the defective component is 0.05. If the component is selected at the random from the day is the production and is found to be defective, find the probability that it was made by machine A and machine B. The same things what we done in this previous problem, the same things here. Let A mean the item from the machine A, let B be the item from the machine B, and D mean is that item is defective. We know that given the probability of P of A is equal to zero point 0.1, the P of B is equal to 0.09, the P of D given A is equal to 0.01, the probability of D given B equal to 0.05. So write the formula, base formula. Based on the base formula, it will be P of the machine from A means P of A given D is equal to P of D given A into P of A by P of D given A into P of A plus P of D given B into P of B. The substitute the value, you will get answer 0.2. The similar same thing, the machine from B, you will substitute the answer, you will get answer 0.98. An engineering company, an engineering company advertise a job in three newspaper A, B, C. It's known that this paper attract the undergraduate engineering list readership in the proportion 2:3:1. The probability that an engineering undergraduate sees the replace to the job advertisement in this paper are 0.002, 0.001, and 0.005 respectively. Assume that the undergraduate sees only one job advertisement. If the engineering company receive only one reply to its advertisement, calculate the probability that the applicant has seen the job advertised in a place name. If the company receive two replies, what is the probability that both applicant saw the probability advertised in paper A? Let A is equal to the person is a referred to a paper A, B is equal to the person is a reader of paper B, C means the person is a reader of paper C, R means the reader apply for the job. We have the given the probability P of A is equal to 1 by 3, the P of R given A is equal to 0.002, P of B means it's 1 by 2, the P of R given B is equal to 0.001, here P of C equal to 1 by 6 and P of R given C equal to 0.005. Then P of A given R equal to P of R given A into P of A. Then substitute the value, you will get the answer. P of A R given is equal to 1 by 3. Then you know that the machine from P of B given R equal to P of R given B into P of B. Then P of R given A into P of A plus P of R given B. P of B plus P of R given C into P of C. The substitute the values, you will get answer 1 by 4. Then from P of C given R equal to, it's a P of R given C into P of C by, use the base theorem. You want to substitute the value, you get answer 5 by 12. Second case, we want to assume that the replace that under readership are the independent. The both applicants are read that newspaper A. The probability of A given R into P of A R given, it's 1 by 3 into 1 by 3, it will answer 1 by 9.